You're gonna love the 2008 Mazda B-Series. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: rear-wheel drive, split bench seat, intermittent wipers, temporary spare tire, tire pressure monitoring system, variable speed intermittent wipers, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, passenger airbag on-off switch, 5-speed AT. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.